Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we are with future, guys. Today we are with the future of NFT, guys. You can't believe, do you believe that by just playing cricket you can earn in dollars? Can you believe that, guys? That's true, guys. This is the future of the cricket. Let's get into the video, guys. Okay, so guys, there is a new platform called Jump Trade. Guys, the Jump Trade is on its way. Okay, so the sale is pre-booking is completed, and this Jump Trade NFT is going to launch in 22nd April, guys. The Jump Trade, the cricket powered by NFTs, guys. Just playing cricket, you can earn dollars, earn in dollars. That's true, guys. Let's see one by one. First of its kind, authenticated cricket NFTs. Okay, add balance to wallet, guys. In 3 days 8 hours this NFT project is going to launch. Already this whitelist is completed, the pre-booking is completed. This is the metaverse cricket game, guys. Okay, this is the future, and this is the metaverse cricket game is going to happen. This is the metaverse bat. Everything is seeing in this video, guys. The super loot, guys. Once if you buy these NFTs, you can get lot of earning options in this video, guys. Okay, so one super loot NFT is $25, 5 super loot NFTs $125 plus one treasury box. In that box you can get anything like $10,000, $50,000, anything you will be getting. That's the magical of box, guys. If this is a future of the cricket, this is a metaverse based cricket platform. If you are not registered it, just register it. I have registered. Just click and fill your all the details and complete your KYC, guys. Okay, you should complete your KYC, guys. This is your profile page. I just updated everything and KYC verification status success. Okay, I have completed my KYC. You all must complete your KYC, guys. Okay, here if you want, already the pre-booking is completed. I'll show you all the things, guys. Okay, here the pre-booking is completed. Okay, this is the pre-book NFTs. Pre-book closed. Pre-book already closed. 1 day only pre-booking has happened. Pre-book already closed. And here, if you want to buy thereafter, once it is launched on April 22nd, you can buy. Right now you can't buy in pre-booking. One super loot NFT is $25, guys. Okay, if you have 2 NFTs, you can play the game. That's an issue, guys. Okay, so don't miss it out. So this is the bidding activities, everything is there. So yes, Jump Trade. Okay, guys, within 3 days this is going to launch. This is the mystery boxes. Anything will be there in this box. Okay, the super loot. This is a metaverse cricket players. This is going to be awesome, guys. This is the future. Okay, so don't miss it out. Already this is the pre-sale is closed. So 22nd this cricketing NFT is going to launch. If you can buy, you can buy it with your low amount, then you can make profit in future, guys. So your collection of pride, be the champion, powered by the community. Cricket does not stop. All 11 players. Okay, guys, the roadmap, everything is given here. Okay, Q1. Okay, Q1 22nd cricket NFT drop. Okay, yes, cricket NFT drop. Then they are launching their game, and then they are launching NFT real estate, then the asset allocation of OCS, then metaverse utilities, then the metaverse cricket World Cup. Guys, Q2 and Q3 they are launching the metaverse cricket World Cup. So by just playing the game itself, you can earn lot of dollars. That's the truth of this game, guys. Challenge the boundaries of the collecting and participating. Buy your cricket NFTs now, guys. This is the team that made this metaverse Jump Trade platform. So check it out. So I'm clicking on Twitter page. This is the Twitter page, 4,000 followers is there. Guys, this is the official Twitter page. I've got your link. The world first cricket NFTs game, guys. This is going to be super and awesome. Guys, follow this page. You will all get all the details regarding the 22nd launch. See here, pre-booking only for 24 hours. This has happened, already done. Pre-book open for all. That's a update from them. Guys, this is going to be great future in the NFT world, guys. Okay, so don't miss it out. Just follow this platform. You will get all the details related to this. Guys, if you can buy the dip, these NFTs, okay, once it is launching, you can buy it, okay. In future, you will get lot of money by keeping this NFT, guys, okay. You can lend it, you can borrow it, anything you can do. Okay, guys, don't miss it out. Just follow this project. 22nd, this is NFT jump trade is going to launch. Just follow the project. If you can buy the NFTs, if you want to buy the NFTs, you can buy it and hold it. The future of the NFT cricketing is here. That's it, guys. I'll update all the related things once it is launching. So we'll see you in another great video, guys. Thank you so much.